What's up guys, this is day 5, the outcome video. Actually I didn't post it yesterday because today was the finish of this day 5. I call a day guys a trading session. No matter how time it takes me, maybe sometimes takes me 2-3 days or 1 day and a half to finish certain amount of trades, but I call this a session, and that's why I post in the channel day 1, day 2. Day actually it's not always matching the day frame, sometimes it's 2 days, so keep that in mind. So guys, if you are for the first time here, I'm trying to make forex my main income stream, but for now I'm just practicing. I'm practicing and I'm not afraid to say it guys. I'm not lying to you. I'm just practicing my strategy. That's why I use demo account. This is demo account, not a real one. But if you manage to build a strategy which works in time, for example for months, and you manage the risk, it doesn't matter actually, these are just numbers. If you manage to do it on demo, you manage to do it on a real account. Of course you have to have some experience to put down all these feelings, so when you are using real money, so the real money you start with should be always adjusted with amount you are not afraid to lose, and your wife will not change if you lose this money. So that's why all people say always trade with money you can afford to lose. That's very important. But for now we're still on demo account. Let's go back to the charts and let's see what was the outcome of yesterday. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that my account was with lower balance. Now it's 7.2k already. We started this channel with around 5k if you go to the first video, and we are every day, every session we're on profit so far. But of course we will have some drawdown days, I'm sure, but let's see, the future will show. Let me show you. The profit is $440 guys, and these are my trades. You see them on different pairs, on GBP JPY, on GBP New Zealand dollar, on Canadian GBPY, and Aussie too, and the Aussie Australian dollar guys. Okay, so let's see what happened with each of them. First I will start with the one which I closed today, this morning, my time. As you can see, this one and this one. These were the two trades. As you can see, the first one is smaller size because I entered yesterday, as you can see. And then I entered another one which saved my ass. As you can see, saved my position, and overall what? I am on profit. Let's go to GBP New Zealand and let's see what happened. So guys, initially, as you can see, my both are buys. I always play on the same direction guys. So my both buys were here, but actually first one was here yesterday guys. I bought here because I thought 1, 2, and we are gonna have some push to the upside, but that didn't happen guys. As you can see, I expected some push, but of course it's a downtrend, so you cannot trust on that uptrend move. So that's why I was on a drawdown and entered another buy here guys, somewhere around here. Another buy because this is a nice support, and I believed we can have this nice bounce. And what happened guys? I entered twice the position of this initially wrong position, which turned out to be wrong. Now you see the power of my strategy. If you just enter here and you stop losses here, you lose guys, right? You lose. And that happened. I have traded so many years guys, and it always happens like this. You hit your stupid stop loss. That's why I don't like stop losses guys. That's why I play charts which don't move so much, or like gold or like Nasdaq or the other, your US30, because these charts can kill your balance super fast and you will have to have a stop loss. But I don't like stop losses guys, so that's why I trade only forex pairs now, and I think that's the right way for me to do it. So guys, I entered double the size, and what happened this morning guys? This push, do you see it here? This push to the upside, I closed my position with around $50 of profit. As you can see, this is $30 down, and this is almost $80. Okay, let's say below $50, but I'm on profit guys. This is one pair, $50. Let's see what are my other trades. Australian dollar USD, let's go to see it. So here a big drop down has happened, but my buy was here. As you can see, this is from yesterday. If you have watched my video, this is yesterday. So around here I made a buy, it pumped, and I closed, guys. I saw that we are near this resistance zone, and as you can see, the price has reached that resistance zone. I closed somewhere around here, yeah, a little bit earlier, but I didn't want to be greedy and just wanted to take the profit, and that's why I have this profit here. I'm continuing with the other. The most interesting one was, of course, this GBP JPY, because this was a hard trade. Of course, there are days when you're trying to recover from losses harder than the others, and this GBP JPY was one of it. Let me go there and see what's going on. Okay, wow, not so beautiful, huh? Okay, so here was yesterday, 4, as you can see. This is not 4, sorry, but 2 o'clock p.m. So I did sell. I was about to sell this thing hard. As you can see, sell, and my initial sell was here. Yeah. So in the morning time, I did a sell. So I did a sell around here. Yeah, I did a sell because I expected this thing to drop down, but I forgot that this is a huge support, guys, and it's pretty much possible that it bounces, and it bounced really hard, guys. But what I did, I was patient enough not to enter here, guys. In this area I didn't enter. I entered here, somewhere around here, as you can see, different sizes. I entered twice bigger the first position, then I added 2 small position, even at higher prices. And then what happened, guys? If I have held it until now, I would be so deeply in profit, but I'm not greedy. I don't believe the market. I don't know what will happen. I am not someone who predict the future. That's why when I see profit, when I see good profit, reasonable profit, I take it. So that's why when we had this nice downtrend here, I just took profit, guys, and I closed my position. As you can see, I used my new positions, these 3 positions, to profit so much from them that, and I didn't care about this losing one, and I closed losing. And guys, overall this brings me profit. Of course, if I have waited more, I would have this one profit or break even too, but I didn't, because you don't know, it can bounce back and you lose your loaded position, so that's not good. So Canadian JPY, let's see what happened. It was pretty easy trade. If I'm not adding another buy or sell with twice the lot, it was an easy, and it was going in my favor. So I bought this thing here around 2. Move your face. Okay, so here, and it pumped like crazy, guys. I know that this has to be filled, this gap here, and I took profit somewhere around here, maybe, I don't know. Let me see. It was at around 3 my time, 3:30, so it was a very fast trade. So it was around here. I took profit here. So this was my profit, guys, from here to here. And I was happy. That was $60, guys, and I ended up having $440, which is pretty much nice, because this is more than 5%, around 6% of my account, 6% per day, guys. As you know, this interest is the 8th wonder of the world. So accumulate interest on your bigger and bigger balance, and you'll be successful in no time. But most important, guys, is to have a working long-term strategy. That's the most and the hardest things of all. So we continue digging into forex. See you in the next video, guys. Let's see what we'll have for the next day. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this strategy, guys. Sometimes maybe I'll be so successful that I'll have giveaways, I can have other things, I can teach people, of course, I can create a course about this and so on. But let's first reach that point, guys. I'm not here to wire people, I'm here to learn and find a strategy, and then try to transfer it to people who also want to achieve that. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.